everybody, Dr. Corey Singer here today to talk to you about how to do a hamstring rollout. This exercise you want to do at least one time a day. You want to do 10 passes back and forth. You could switch between legs as well. You want to find a foam roller, something like this, medium thickness, medium firmness, and you want to find it any points inside of your hamstrings that are maybe a little tender, a little tight, and you could spend some extra time on those. You could actually go back and forth between legs as well. And let me show you how to go ahead and get this done, okay? So, put your foam roller on the ground. You want to start with your legs extended forward. Place your hands on the ground like this, and just to kind of support you. And the hamstrings obviously run from about here to here. So we're going to start, I like to start at the top, kind of sitting on it. And then all you'll do is kind of move your body back and forth like this. And so you're just supporting the weight of your legs with your hands there, and you're just going back and forth. Again, if you find an area, kind of roll around a little bit so you could feel the areas that are a little bit more tight, a little more tender. If you find one of those areas, you just kind of sit on it for a little bit longer. And you'll the idea is to work out these adhesions. This exercise is good for general health of the hamstrings, as well as helps with lower back issues, feet problems, etc. So it's just really good thing to do every single day. And so I'm going to show you how to do it one leg at a time. So let's see if you find a spot that's a little bit more tight. You take one leg up, kind of lift it up here, and then you just spend more time now I'm working on the right leg out, the right hamstring. You could then switch if you'd like to, if you want to do more pressure on the left leg. Go back and forth, again, about 10 passes back and forth, or do you feel like you got a pretty good stretch on it and worked out the adhesions, and that's how you do it. Enjoy.